Hello everyone, welcome to Talent Master Talent Tutorial Series. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can call stored procedure in Talent. Before starting the video, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it and please share with your friends as well. So, I have created one table which is employee table and I have inserted some records in it. Let's see what are those. So, I have ID, name, job title and location column. So based on this table, I have created two stored procedure. Let me show you the code. Yeah. So this is the first stored procedure, which is emp underscore proc, which is executing a select statement on employee table. So it is selecting ID, name, job title, and location column from employee table. And the other stored procedure is This is this is taking employee name as in parameter and returning employee location as an out parameter. So we will execute this procedure one by one in our talent job and see how does it work in talent. So I have created two jobs. One is SP without argument and one is SP with argument. So first we will learn how we can invoke or call stored procedure without argument. So for that we will need tDBSP component. First of all, you have to provide all the database details over here and configure this component on your system. But for me, I have created a metadata connection for MySQL. So I will just import it into Talent console and I will use tDBSP component. I'll delete this one. Yeah. Now, so if you can see the configuration of tDBSP component, so it has automatically taken the connection details, host, database, username, everything from the metadata. Uh, so what are the pending things over here? I need to provide SP name. So I am going to call the SP, which is just executing a select statement. So what is the SP name? Employee underscore proc. Okay. Hmm. I will go to the schema. I will define a column name result. Result column should be an object type. Okay. Now I will click on this plus button and configure this type as record set. Why I'm doing this? Because this result is a record set. It is not a in or out type. It is just a record set. Okay. So the configuration is done for SP. Now let me connect it to a tlogRow component and let's see what it is returning. Mhm. Okay, it is not returning any useful content. Let me delete it. So to see the content or to fetch the content or to parse the content which is returning from this DBSP call, I am going to use tParseRecordSet component and connect it using main row. Let's configure this component now. My incoming column is result, which is displaying over here. Okay, so I will create four columns because my stored procedure is returning me four column: ID, name, job title and location. ID, name, job title and location. Now I have to provide values. So these values will be same as the column name which we have used in the stored procedure or in the DDL of the underlying table. It should be exactly same. Now connect the output to tlogger component and try to run the job. Let's see what it returned. Yeah, it has returned us all the required column. So this is how you can. So this is how you can execute a DB a DB stored procedure using tDBSP component and tParseRecordSet component. Now we will execute the other stored procedure which is accepting an input parameter and returning an output parameter. So for that as well, I need tDBSP component. So I will create this component from metadata. Okay. Now I will configure this component. So let me provide the procedure name employee get location. I'm going to create two columns, name and location. So name would be in parameter and location would be out parameter. Okay, setting is done. Now, so to provide input to this stored procedure component, I am going to use a file component, t file input component. So I have already stored some employee names in a file. So these name will be provided one after another to stored to tbsp component, and the required data will be returned from the sp call. If you do not aware of how to use t file input delimited component, you can watch my video on this component as well. Okay, the configuration is done, but I have to provide column name. Yeah. Employee name. No, no. Okay, now I'll create a component tlog row and we'll connect this db output main. Let's run this job. Okay, let me print the output in table format. So as you can see, we are getting name as well as its location. So Alex, Germany; John, UK; James, USA; Paul, India. So if you can see, we have from the file we have only provided names. Okay, but it is returning me the location as well. Why? Because in my stored procedure I have written the code such a way that it is accepting this input parameter, which is employee name, and using that value in a select query in a where clause and returning its location. So location is being returned as an out parameter. So this is how we can use the tbsp component and execute the stored procedure through Talend. Please let me know if you have any question or any concern while using this component, you can put your question in comment box. I will answer to your question. Thank you so much.